Hey guys, welcome back to JBZ Off-Roading. Today, I'm going to be showing you where to properly take your belt off because I ended up screwing up and I stripped this little plastic bolt here that was onto this plastic pulley here. So, the bolt is conveniently located down here. It's 13 millimeter. Put a wrench on there or socket and just pretty much push it that way, belt comes off. And I'm going to show you pretty much what I did because I ended up stripping this little plastic pulley nut here when I was trying to take the belt off, but that was the incorrect way. So I ended up ordering a billet pulley, tensioner pulley from AAD Performance, and I'm going to be putting it on right now. So let me take this off real quick and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, I went ahead and got it all cleaned up. There it is. This is the nut I'm talking about. It's 13 millimeters. That's where you freaking put a nut in and you crank it, you get the belt off. Alright, so you don't do it from this point. You do it down here. I learned the hard way. So this is the stock pulley. You can see how it looks. You can see that it's plastic, all of it. And this is the bolt that comes with it. It's significantly shorter than what comes with AAD. And yeah, so it's all one unit, this piece right here, and super heavy duty. And the cool thing about it, it's longer, so it's gonna thread in pretty much a little bit deeper inside there, so it's gonna really hold up well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that slapped in there. We'll be back. Alright, well, here's the end product. Put some thread locker on there, some blue, and it's in there secured, so I'm gonna crank it real quick and see if the belt held on and if anything's wrong. And that's pretty much it. There you go, there's your solution. In case you mess up, and a whole lot more confidence in this thing right here, this plastic one.